I'm a king in a moon liquor.
Yeah.
Because when he was saying king, nobody, like, it say him a king. Nobody never did have a problem with that like that.
And I
Cause
mean,
me have my own king thing, me I got it, man. Me response, you understand?
Yeah.
Me have a generation thing, but me now go put my king, my crown beside, cause you're mad.
Well, yeah, okay.
Come on. Like, you understand something. He will just beat up the war. Then he will beat up the war and make police coming at the war. You understand?
So it's too serious, like he gets
The things
He
you
must
must say
serious,
to the song.
but he dey look too, he think what I say, and he might take it too serious, and he not get so serious. Yeah?
This is Real Talk. Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Yo people, welcome back to the brand new channel. This is Real Talk. I'm your host DJ Dreadbeard. And throughout the video, if you don't know say a real talk me I make, drop a real talk in the comment section, and also like the video and subscribe if a real talk me I make. You see me? So today we are gonna talk about the two clips them we play in the intro. You see me? Family I make you know say yo, Massacre did stuck in a little style like him a watch the Gully Gaza thing, and the Gully Gaza war is different from the Tamil and Massacre war, so that's how him go wrong, like him stuck in a little style there. And also, Tamil I make you know say yo, nothing wrong, me nah fight a man for call himself king, Yeah, because me Tamil a king too, cause all of the young youth them right now, and my style them a pattern and follow. So me a king, but for me, make that get to my head and them gas me up and me I go put my kingship side of Vibes Cartel. It's laughable. So are two different kind of kings. So we are gonna talk about that. And me I gonna stop repeat myself. Me I just say it one time. If you subscribe to This Is Real Talk, you have to subscribe to DJ Dreadbeard and vice versa. You see me? Because me I gonna continue the reasoning over here so. Like me not have to over explain this every day. Like everybody have a favorite series where them watch. And you don't watch episode 1 and skip episode 2 and go watch episode 3. You have to watch the whole 1, 2, 3 episode to get the full understanding of the movie or whatever. You see me? At the same thing. Me nah go talk for 30 minutes over DJ Dreadbeard. Me I go talk for 20 minutes and the next 10 minutes are over here so. Cause over here so me I build up the channel here. Like me still have see 9,000 people. I watch part 1 over DJ Dreadbeard and over here so part 2 and 3 there. And only 500 people me see. So like 9,000 people only watch part 1. You see me? Yo, it's weird bro. Alright, so let's continue. So me I go up on a limb and say, you see the Tamil interview here, it's just as good as the Vibes Cartel interview upon the fix. Like, after we done watch the Vibes Cartel interview, I almost 2 hours add on it, it's like you still want more. Same thing with the Tamil interview, it's entertaining, and him is in control, them couldn't take him for fool, and, you see me? And here with interview, it build character, like you get a whole heap of fans from doing interviews, so only for young youth right now, that are the mistake what them make. Them want a fan base, but them not do no interview. Interview, you also have it interview just like you have a hit song, where people go back to and watch, and it define you and your character, what you're all about, Notice in the comment section, you see all the people say, yo, me think say Tamil did fool, yo, Tamil wise, Tamil need to start a girlish class. Be a good comment, you see. So, all of them things where Massacre did say, yo, Tamil dance and him write him name Pambula. The interview, the debunk, the whole of that. You see me? Yeah, so doing interview, it help your character. Whereas if you want to build a fan base, it help build even cult fan base too. Interviews, do them something there. So that's how the young youth them go wrong when them stop the interview. You see me?
I'm a king in a moon liquor.
Yeah.
Because when he was saying king, nobody, like, it say him a king. Nobody never did have a problem with that like that.
And I
Cause
mean,
me have my own king thing, me I got it, man. Me response, you understand?
Yeah.
Me have a generation thing, but me now go put my king, my crown beside, cause you're mad.
Yeah, man. One more wise word from Tamil throughout the interview. Yo, every man a king, bro. Me a king. You a king. Like, when I tell us, say, don't say a king, but comparing to other kings, you have to know, you have to watch the scale. Why for the scale? But you have to watch how you do them things. Because watch you now. Say you are one king. You are a king in your house, Yeah, you are a king in your yard. But when you send a youth then go to bed, you give them an extra half an hour and them turn the half an hour in our next half an hour. And you see me? So basically, you beg them to go to them bed. You see me? And by 2 o'clock, them just feel like to go to them bed or them tired and go to them bed. When you have a next man now, all them do is just stare upon them youth. Them just say, yeah, I stare alone. And them knows them to go to them bed. When you compare your king to fame king, him a more king than you in a house. So even though in a year you pay the bills them, you the king of your mansion, the king of your throne in a your house, probably your youth them can end up come a road and shame you while the next king comparing to the next father now where steer down fame pit in them just him eye alone. Them fame pit in them now run them through their road with him. So I saw we are gonna compare the two now. And I saw now the public are gonna know who are the bigger king at them yard. You see me, it's simple, you know. Which man, woman I beat them with draws and them thing there. So we know, you see me? That's what I try to say. Every man a king in them own right, but comparing. So let's go to Dancehall now. Massacre not have the catalog, him not have the diversity like Massacre does one dimension. So comparing film like nowadays kingship to Vybz Kartel or being man, it don't make no sense. So that Tamilia say right there, so say me a king, me Tamilia a king. Right now you see Raja Wild, you see Craft, Skeng, the whole of them a my style, them a follow. Like the generation you know, a Tamilia blueprint they all over it. So me a king, me Tamilia a king. But for me, you know, go make that fly in my head and go say, yo, me a rival Vybz Kartel, longevity, him charisma, him charm, him 13 years of prison. Every year, artist of the year, few much year in a row, all of them something me not do yet. I just want a little part of it me get where the young youth them a follow my style. So me now make it get to me head, so that him a tell him right, that's so straight, say yo, every man a king bro. Me agree say every man a king in a them own way, in a them own rights, in a them yard, in a them job. Anyway, you're a king, but when you compare it to an actual king or you compare it to a different king on a different level, you have to know what you do. And I did some massacre go wrong, like him also mentioned say make footer hype boots him up like the same footer hype. When no say Vybz Kartel never did go answer him. You keep on and say Vybz Kartel have to answer him, them something them it boots you up massacre. So you're not king, cause you should have known that say Vybz Kartel never gonna answer you, cause you're not really there on the level. You're not there on the level yet. And other people they there on a higher level than you, him not answer them at the time. You see me? But probably at the whole alkaline thing flying on the skull because him answer alkaline, so I don't feel like say him answer everybody. When him there in a prison, him answer alkaline. If him there a road, him would answer alkaline.
You see Cartel loop, know this on this clash. Mayu, check your fact. You a DJ, but the fact you don't piss in your face that just lodge in your head, so you must say boom boy. So you understand the style clash the lodge in your head. You know what I mean? You know understand say have in the loop of water, move water and Cartel. So you understand? So you feel like if you do the same thing, but story different.
I'm one circle block too.
Cartel story different from Cartel from fame and Cartel story.
Without a
Cartel
doubt.
don't need nothing, bro.
Without a doubt.
So right there, so narrow them cut him off, but one of the most important thing the man did I go explain right there, so you know. So you see the whole Gully Gaza style of war, where Vybz Kartel say bleach at your gate like a pizza me come for deliver and them kind of style The Gully Gaza war, I eat enough people still go back to anytime one clash I go on, them still go back to Vybz Kartel and Movado. You see me? And the style where Vybz Kartel did I use on a clash Movado, I know it him use when him a go up against Alkaline, you know. It's a more psychological thing. That's why you have to give Alkaline in props, right? That's so. Like Vybz Kartel wouldn't even counteract a regular song with Alkaline do. Alkaline have a song where him say instant block and delete. Vybz Kartel say him a infiltrate you and every minute him want beat you and then him turn around want delete you. Tell me, you see me? Them kind of thing they like him a talk about Pelican, Pile Maridana and them kind of style. Them a clash same way, you know. Like I be a shade and jobs and them thing but alright, look how when Movado forward in the war. Oh, Movado just run in the war and say, Cartel about him and in a number 2 cell and done the war right away. Just once and kill the war because him no know how to throw shades and jobs and make it go out because the man they are prison. Him have a warrior different. So you just want to use one song and kill the whole war. So Movado just want to use one song and kill the whole war and say him win. But it's not all about who win or the longevity of the war. The song might get more views and streams. Like you don't want to use one song and kill the war, bro. So that's why Vybz Kartel say you batty up the war. When Alkaline know him smart enough to know say don't this Vybz Kartel brawling like. Even when Alkaline call Vybz Kartel Craftman, like Craftman is not a this. Craftman means your psychology different, like you're a psychs man. You know, like when somebody say, yo, a psychs him a try use for me, you know, a psychs him a use, you know. You know, if you pull craft like psychology, you're street smart. That is not a this, but at least the people them say is a this, so people them work with it as a this. The most brawling, me ever hear Alkaline go when them say, yo, Like when him call him Annie Palmer and them thing there, and him say him nah get nothing in prison, bro. Alkaline didn't know say yo, him not for go brawling, just keep it. Just keep it to a level. And I hit him a talk about Josh, you know, running at the war and start talk about lizard and sitting like, and the same kind of thing my father would have do. Running at the war and talk about, yo, number 2 Ceylon, and the same thing Josh do. So I hit me play in at the intro when him say, yo, Josh will beat up the war and make police all looking at the war, cause some things where you say, it not that serious yet. Like the war just start, it not get so serious yet where you draw a lizard card already. Even though Vibes Cartel and Movado war different, Vibes Cartel and Alkaline war different too. Two different kind of war. But what he might tell us is, Massacre, pay attention to the Gully Gaza war. Foxy Brown pissing in your face and shit in your locks. Them kind of war there, them kind of lyrics there. Massacre use in the warrior while Tamilia use some different kind of craft on him and I kill him. You see me? Yeah man, yo. The way how they interview the bad, whole heap of parts there in it when I go break down throughout the week, you see me? Yeah man, but people are right, so I cut it, you know. Yeah, and if you don't know say a real talk me make, drop a real talk in the comment and like the video and subscribe if a real talk me I make. And yo, when you see the red arrow there, we are point on the video there, it fresh, so you can go watch it right after this, you see me? Yeah, I'm DJ Dreadbeard, signing out.
This is Real Talk. Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe